I have been planning on starting a website, I don't know, for like 2 years, and I've been intimidated by the photography side of it, which is a lot. It's very daunting. Jewelry is one of the most difficult things that you have to photograph on planet Earth. There's a lot of reflection. There's such depth and dynamism to it. It's very challenging to photograph, and it's very challenging to photograph beautifully. I walked by this booth and I almost fell over at the simplicity, the elegance, the genius in the software of how user-friendly it is. I think people are intimidated by a lot of the computer technology. This has simplified and taken everything down to its most simple form. So I'm excited. This is going to be my first go, and the team here has been nothing but wonderful in explaining how this operates, and I'm feeling very confident that I can do it by myself with a very short tutorial. So I wish anyone luck out there that's going to give it a go, and we'll to be continued.